He has the whole team on him. Curry, oh my gosh, he's dribbling. Curry, Stephen Curry, look at him, so inspirational. Oh, for three. Hey, get back on defense, get back on defense. Bro, Stephen Curry just sneezed, bro. Wait, bro, I got my mask cut and I somehow got it. Bro, what is this? Bro, I don't know. Bro, I'm gonna sick too. Dude. Bro, I can barely even breathe, bro. Bro, like, I can barely even feel anything. I can't even touch anything, bro. What is this? Okay, guys, breaking news. And, we just found out that 695,000 people died from COVID. Yes. And then, like, 8,500 have been diagnosed with COVID.
Yeah, newsflash, that doesn't hit well.